Enscape Asset Library, changed face, which is part of Chaos ecosystem from version 4.10 onwards. Asset library used in the form of Chaos Cosmos. Click on this icon to open the asset library. Enscape Asset Library keep the original profile. The front is the online library of Enscape related to Chaos Cosmos. And the second category is the custom asset category. So if we have a custom asset, we can link its model into a custom asset. We just select folder asset. Yes, we will have a custom asset. Back into the Enscape asset as a feature. The online library is Chaos Cosmos. In version 4.11 or later generations, we may get new features in the Chaos Cosmos. Is an update of the library. When the Cosmos is updated, we will be able to get a lot of new assets in there. At the front we see an option. 3D models collections as well as creators. Option this place has two online which it will display all asset. Download is show only downloaded asset. With a tick on this, we just click import. And we can place it as a single placement. With the mode of scatter we can use plugins in SketchUp to help us in place asset. Highlights in the Chaos Cosmos. The first is that we can filter selection. And the way it works is we need Chaos account. When we do not have an account, it will require us to sign in. After signing in, we click on this setting. And we will see. The most important asset is the download folder. We just select this condition. Which folder to store data Chaos Cosmos or Enscape asset. And this option is it will work the same with V-Ray as well as Corona, because it is used as a single Chaos Cosmos. And most importantly, I recommend that we use high-speed storage. Can be M2 or SSD. So we just came to our selection folder. Enscape asset or Cosmos, it will refresh its server to link it to the new folder. Its default is in drive C.